In this video, we will learn how to make a shear key in construction joint between retaining wall and foundation. So watch the full video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will start with the structural template. Let's open up level 1 and go to structure tab. Click on the wall button and select structural wall. I am going to select 12 inches thick concrete retaining wall. This wall will start from level 1 and it will be 6 feet high. I am going to draw a wall of about 8 feet long. Let's add a retaining wall foundation. Select the foundation type and click on retaining wall. We can change the side by clicking on the small arrow to the side. I am going to draw a section line perpendicular to the wall. Then right click on the section arrow and click on Go to View. Let's set the detail level to fine and change the scale to 1 inch equals 1 foot. To make the shear key, click on the View tab and Graphics panel, then click on Cut Profile button. First select the geometry which need to be cut, then choose the line tool and draw the shape of shear key. This shape doesn't need to be close boundary. If we see closely, there is an arrow. This arrow specifies which side of the line you would like to keep. So this time I would like to keep the retaining foundation. So I will click to change and then click on Finish Edit mode. Now you can see a portion of foundation is gone. Now repeat the same procedure for retaining wall. Click the Cut Profile button and this time select the retaining wall. Then repeat the same sketch using the Pick Line tool. Click on the small arrow to change the face toward the retaining wall to keep the portion of retaining wall. Then click on Finish Edit mode. Now you can see the portion of foundation is attached to the wall. The Cut Profile option is View Specific item, so you can't see this detail in 3D or plan views. Now you can save your file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.